believe, isn't it?
No, when I believe.
No, when we believe.
This song is from that cartoon movie for the kids. What do you call?
Isn't it
Prince of Egypt? Yeah. And tonight I'll be your Prince of Egypt.
And I'll be the princess.
And to all the lovely men out there, later on, I'll be your Princess of Egypt.
You go, girl. Okay, Cindy's gonna take the pop Whitney Houston, and I'll take Mariah Carey. Okay.
Midnight we pray with no proof anyone could be. In our hearts our hopeful soul we barely understood. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we know it could. Man be miracle when you believe. The hope is spread, it's hard to kill. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe somehow you will.
When we're so often bruising pain, hope seems like the summer birds too swiftly blown away. Now I'm standing here, my heart's so full I can't explain, seeking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say.
Look at them. You ask them and they're just... Are you enjoying yourselves? Or maybe you don't understand English. Oto fia fia fia. Oto fa'ale fia fia.
Yeah. Do you want more? Yeah. Sing another duet.
Now?
Sing another. Yeah.
No.
First, does it do it?
Do they deserve anything or what? Okay. Do you want more? La going on more. Makua more or ko? All right. For the great audience here tonight, we're gonna sing this song especially for you. It's gonna be an upbeat one, so feel free to dance. But watch out for your neighbor. We don't wanna fight. Yes, I feel it cold. You're too good to be true. Hey, come on, let's rock this house down, baby. Sing it, Aggie.
You're just too good to be true.
That's right, baby.
Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven to touch. Oh, I want to hold you so much. At long this love has arrived.
I want to see some hands in the air.
God, I'm
Woo!
You're just too good to be true.
Woo!
Can't take my eyes off you. Hiding the way that I stand. There's nothing I can say. But God, if you leave me weak, there are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I'm weak, well, then know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you.
That was all right.
I
Hold
guess.
on.
All right.
Hey, you have to excuse me, but I was born with some of the things, you know. The factory where they made me was short of. So I had to get my own. And somehow they don't stick to my body, so I have to readjust them, so. Anyway, what's next?
I think it's Margaret's turn. I guess you guys need a break from us too, eh? What, too bad?